Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel and the garage. Today I'm coming at you with a product review slash unboxing instead of a repair video. Let me show you what's going on here. As you can see, my garage floor is filthy from a recent snowstorm we just had. I had all three vehicles in here and they were just covered in salt and dirt from the snow. Now, I normally wash the garage out with this pressure washer here, and it does a good job, but it does make a mess and kind of splatters all over my walls here, which I don't want. So I recently went on Amazon and I bought this here. It's the Generac 15-inch surface cleaner, which hooks directly to my pressure washer. So I was going to do a quick unboxing and kind of just a quick review, I guess, on it. And then we'll see how well it does at getting these floors clean. Alright, so like I said, picked this up at Amazon. I paid $71 for it. And I did get the extended warranty, which was like another $9. I think it's good for 2 years or something like that. I just went ahead and did that because I read some of the reviews and some said it was good, some said it was bad, so I figured why not, we'll just get the warranty on it. So but let's take a look here. As you can see, it says adjustable 180 degrees quick change connector, rotating nozzles clean tough stains evenly over large areas. And it has a 15-inch path, and it's good for 3100 psi. Alright, so let's go ahead and unbox it, see what we got in here. So this is what we're looking at. Now this is just a really hard plastic, not metal or anything. Looks like your quick connect coupler is already connected there. Flip it around here. There's your spray nozzles. This just spins around super fast, I guess. And then got these hard bristles here. And looks like it does come with some instructions as well. But that's it. So let's go ahead and hook it up to the pressure washer and see how it does. Okay guys, so hooking up is really simple. I already got a quick disconnect on my pressure washer. And this is, like I said, it's flexible, so it can go either way. And all you gotta do is just connect that on there, and that clicks into place. And we're ready to get started. So I also got some just some simple green I mixed in with some water. I put it in this pump sprayer. I'm gonna see if maybe that'll help agitate the floor and maybe get a little cleaner. I don't know, it may or may not work. So I'll go ahead and move all my stuff over here to the right side, and I'll start on this left side and spray it down, let it soak for a little bit, and we'll see how it does. there you have it. Still a little dirty in some spots, but that's just from my footprints and everything else. So let me do this other side here really quick, and I'll come back when it's all dry and we'll see how it did. All right, so it's been, I don't know, probably 6-7 hours since I had washed the floor. I actually had time to make another video on insulating a garage door. So if you guys are interested in that, go ahead and check out my other video. But getting back to this, as you can see, I'm not sure what that stain is there. I may have to scrub that one a little more. But overall, it does look better. It'll probably look a lot better once this dries, but it's just so cold out right now, and the ground's so cold that it'll take a while. These spots here are rust spots, so I may need to scrub those with some CLR or something to get them off. But overall, it looks a lot better. It did, if you leaned it one way, it would splash on the wall a little bit, but it's kind of hard to tell. I need to wipe this wall down a little more. But other than that, I think it did a good job. I know a lot of people use this for sidewalks and driveways, washing moss, tree sap, that kind of stuff off. Luckily here, we don't really deal with that in Colorado. We don't really have much humidity. But going back over here, looking at it, I think it did really good, and I am happy with it. I hope it holds up, and I don't have any problems with it. But like I said, I got that extended warranty, so hopefully I won't have to use that. And again, this is the Generac 15-inch surface cleaner. But overall, like I said, happy with it. I hope this video helps you out. Just a quick review and unboxing of it. Like and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And until next time, thank you.